Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Honda CRV, stock reference number 4900. This shape runs from the 3rd month 07 through to the 10th month 2012. It has a K24 Z1 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-drive transmission. K24 Z1 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. We have the centre console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.